So programming script. So how to create the script? So under that we can see some categories like creating some basic programming files, creating function, okay, then creating live scripts. So see, so in programming in MATLAB, so either we can use the MATLAB editor, okay, and we can execute the MATLAB, whatever MATLAB script we created, we can reuse that MATLAB program. Okay, so one of the program we can see here, just an example. Now we will switch to the MATLAB software. So the basics of data and variables. Let's consider the three factor, let's say class, size and value. Okay, so uh, first of all consider this n dimension array. So it might be, let's say, the data or the variables whatever you create, it might be used for the boolean, that is logical, or numeric. So in numeric it might be floating point or the integer point. So further floating point, it is considered as a single precision or double precision. In integer it might be a sign unsigned, and range which go, that is 8 bit to 64 bit. Then the text type, let's say the character, and the function handle. So let's say the MATLAB uses graphics which is named as a handle. Okay, so function handle. Then the heterogeneous container, so it might be name base, let's say the structure, or the index base, that is the cell base. So before moving to this, okay, so you may see one workspace example. In that you may see and the variable, its value, its size and its class. So let's go to the MATLAB.